Here's what's new for JPRO 2025 V1. New interactive wiring diagrams allow users to isolate wires or search within schematics. To trace wires, simply click one or more and scroll through the diagram. When finished, click the wire again to deselect it. Or press the reset button in the upper right-hand corner to reset the entire diagram. Users can easily search through the entire diagram to quickly locate sensors, relays, wires, and other labeled items. And for users who prefer the classic view, standard, full-color wiring diagrams are still available in fault guidance. We added bi-directional tests and commands for a variety of manufacturers, including Detroit Diesel and PACCAR, while bolstering medium-duty support for GM engines with more than a dozen new tests. You can download the latest update directly from JPRO or by visiting noragon.com.